कॉप्स है, एक्शन है और बहुत ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स है। आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू रेडी फॉर इट, बट 29 नवंबर तक वक्त है, तो फट से आप रेडी हो जाओ। In fact, when Neeraj Pandey decided to work with us on this story, after the phenomenal success of Khaki the Bihar chapter, we were so happy that we get to tell this diamond heist thriller together. और थोड़ी सी बात करते हैं हमारे वंडरफुल कास्ट की। जो सिकंदर है, स्वीट सा, इनोसेंट सा, रेगुलर सा, जो एक्चुअली फेस वैल्यू पे बिल्कुल आप नहीं ले सकते। उनके नसीब की डोर है जिमी शेरगिल के हाथों में। बड़ा मंझा हुआ खिलाड़ी है, इस सिकंदर का मुकद्दर बस जिमी शेरगिल के हाथों में है। कमिंग टू जिमी सर, who's played a cop whose instinct and mood वृत्ति से मैं भी नहीं बच पाया, and I'm hoping that for some reason you guys get caught in his mood वृत्ति, because after that the events are just exciting. Finally, Mr. Rajiv Mehta, who so far had such wonderful comedic roles that he's entertained us with, who will be seen in an absolute never before seen avatar. सिकंदर का मुकद्दर, how do I put this, is a cat and mouse game. एक तरफ बहुत relatable और दूसरी तरफ बिल्कुल unforgettable. तो इस कहानी की डोर अब आपके हाथ में, इसका मुकद्दर अब ऑडियंस और मीडिया के हाथ में। I hope you enjoy the film as much as we enjoyed making it for you.
And हमें मूल विषय का तो अभी समझ आ गई कि क्या है, but I want to ask आप सभी से कि इन 3 आरोपियों में से 60 करोड़ के डायमंड्स कौन उड़ा ले गया? आपको क्या लगता है? आरोपी नंबर 1, आरोपी नंबर 2 या आरोपी नंबर 3?
आरोपी नंबर 4।
Wait and watch on 29th.
You know, I know. Yeah, we got to wait till the 29th. That's a good answer. You've taken my dialogue there. Thank you. But I have to say, आप जसविंदर सिंह यानी कि हमारे जिमी शेरगिल बहुत खुश होंगे, बिकॉज उन्हें यहाँ इतना सपोर्ट मिल रहा है कि वो बता रहे हैं, आप सब बता रहे हैं कौन आरोपी होगा, 1, 2 या 3. Well, as she rightly mentioned, that we will get to know only on the 29th of November when it drops on Netflix.
For that matter, every scene I enjoyed as an actor. Since I was working with Neeraj for the first time, and we all know his genre and his style of making. तो मेरे लिए एक सीन था जो अविनाश के साथ था जेल के अंदर। हम दोनों हैं जेल में बैठे हुए हैं और I was just thinking before giving the shot. I asked नीरज जी कि मैं बैठ के करूँ ये सीन, इस तरह करूँ, इस तरह थॉट प्रोसेस with incomplete lines or searching for words and all. तो नीरज जी ने मुझे कहा कैसे जरा करके दिखाओ, तो मैंने I just enacted and okay. तो this was the thing and I think बहुत बुरा नहीं किया वो मैंने।
वो हमें बहुत पसंद आया जो भी हमने ट्रेलर में देखा है।
Playing a lover again?
Yeah, like a lover romantic, you know. It's
वो real life में खेल लेता हूँ बहुत। No, but honestly, I mean, it's a great podium to ask this question. Netflix and Neeraj sir are sitting right here. You should put this question to them. I'm always looking forward to parts that I can enjoy and really give my all to. That's what really excites me. So for now, I'm enjoying whatever has come my way. This one is something that I'm sure that people are going to enjoy. Find it very relatable, and at the same time, like he said, it's an edge of the seat thriller, which I think will create an experience which will be different from all the other work that you would have seen of mine. And I hope you enjoy it. So 29th November.
Bottom line is, it was a privilege for me to work with some दिग्गज जो हमारे डायरेक्टर बैठे हुए हैं, नीरज पांडे साहब। For me it was a privilege to work with him, you know, क्योंकि basically I'm a theatre and television actor. गिनी चुनी 4-5 फिल्में की थी इसके पहले मैंने, जिसके बारे में lesser said the better. This was a special film for me, क्योंकि जो किरदार मेरा है मंगेश देसाई का, वेरी इनोसेंट, बहुत सीधा साधा सिंपल इनोसेंट आदमी है, 60 साल का, बड़ी शिद्दत से अपने एम्प्लॉयर के लिए इज शोकेसिंग डायमंड्स इन एग्जीबिशन एंड वन फाइन डे ही इज देयर इज diamond robbery and he's turning point है इसकी लाइफ में because he's cornered and he's targeted as one of the convicts, one of the ROP. And despite of all this turmoil and he stood by his fellow suspects, Kamini and Avinash. So lot many twists and turns in character and
तो जाना चाहता हूँ मंगेश हीरो से दिखता या है? आई थिंक आप एक फिल्म करते हो एक डायरेक्टर के साथ तो आप उसको जब तक वो खत्म होती है आप उसको समझना शुरू करते हो, दूसरी फिल्म से फिर जो है वो समझ में आने लगता है और आई थिंक तीसरी चौथी के आसपास ऐसा हो जाता है कि आपको बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली समझ जाता है या एक्टर हो या जो भी. So when he is today, when he gives a script to read, I understand exactly in my head how he's going to shoot it, what this scene is going to be like. I think that is the fun of it when you work with somebody over a few films. I think वहाँ पे फर्क definitely पड़ता है.
Because on set he just came and he was flowing and he always had intense, like there was never a scene in which he's not intense. But intensity is a very interesting thing. Like I don't think many people know how to kind of do that without doing much. And I feel like Avinash does it so effortlessly. For me, that was a great learning. Just being in the same frame with him, observing him. That was really really interesting. And yes, he did take longer than me for his glam. So I'm concerned as to why that happened. And that has remained during the promotions as well. So is this the secret of your beauty? Would you like to answer that?
आप मुझे शाम के 7 बजे के बाद मिले तब बताओ.
ये मतलब आपकी खूबसूरती का राज क्या है? मीडिया जानना चाहती है. अच्छा ये जब मेकअप उतार देंगे then he'll give me his skincare. But yes, it was super fun to work with Avinash. Jimmy, we had very little together, but it's wonderful to work with an actor who's actually worked for so many years, has done so many different characters, and is yet feeling fresh. I think we don't credit actors who have a longevity the way we credit just one successful film and maybe stars that arrive all of a sudden. But I feel like there's a lot of merit in success that's built over a period of time. And Jimmy sir, we love that about you. We love that you've been doing so much different kind of work, and every time you've given something fresh. So as an audience, we love watching everything that you come up with. And Rajiv sir and I really enjoyed. It was fun. He was my jamming partner. We would have all kind of conversations about food and fun stuff. And he was the one I dropped my humor bombs on. Yeah, and he kept me like, because बहुत ही serious set था, because नीरज सर की एक खासियत है कि उनके सेट पे सब बहुत ज़्यादा ऑर्गेनाइज रहता है. एंड आप जो हीरे की कीमत बोल रहे हो ना, वो एक मिनट को उतनी अहमियत देते हैं. तो हीरो की जितनी कीमत है उतनी उनके लिए 1 मिनट की है, और 1 मिनट का भी वेस्ट होना उनके लिए हीरे गंवाने जैसा है. सो आई लव दैट. आई लव द वैल्यू फॉर टाइम, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी शॉट द फिल्म. I didn't even realize, to be honest, I felt like I just went on set, met everybody, had a great time, and the film was done. And he's a director that makes the job for an actor really simple. Like you really have to just make sure you're prepped and make sure you know everything that you want to do. And I think he's so open, like he's just so open to us coming up with what we feel is something that we want to do for the character. At the same time, he has very interesting boundaries for it. So it's the perfect,
Obsessive and mysterious. So in one line, how mysterious is this? Would you explain? Without revealing the climax.
How mysterious?
Yeah.
Very mysterious.
I said one line, not 2 words.
It is very mysterious.
Anyway, the title is also very captivating.
Thank you, sir.
सिकंदर का मुकद्दर, तो मेरे जहन में मुकद्दर का सिकंदर आया.
आना चाहिए.
हाँ.
That was the reason why we had this title, because it's a play on a film that I grew up on, loved it, and I think our entire generation sort of loved that film. And it's in a way a tribute, in a way an ode to that particular film, but nothing to do in terms of genre. Yeah.
I ever believe that instincts get shaped up by your conditioning, your understanding and exposure of life, your own opinions, your own. So I think eventually in life you're instinctive, but it comes from your own exploration of life, your own ideas, your own opinions. मेरे लिए कहना बड़ा मुश्किल है, but in life generally you fast think it's my instincts that take over, but there is some thought to it I would like to do.
I'm extremely instinctive. Like my entire being works on instinct. Sorry, that's मूल वृत्ति. मूल वृत्ति. I think मूल वृत्ति के बिना शायद ही मैं I think मैंने अपने लाइफ के सारे सबसे बड़े डिसीजंस अपने मूल वृत्ति से ही लिए हैं और आज भी ऐसे ही लेती हूँ. I feel like that's दिमाग आपको क्वेश्चन कराता है, लेकिन अब जब मन में आपको आपका मूल वृत्ति आपको एक अजीब किस्म का क्लैरिटी देता है, लेकिन अगर आप अपने दिमाग से वो सवाल जवाब करने बैठ जाओगे तो वो आपको यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह ले जाएगा, लेकिन मूल वृत्ति नॉर्मली एक ही बात बोलती है, 2-3 बातें नहीं बोलती. तो that's nicer to trust something that says one thing.
Thank you so much.
कहीं कोई बैठा हुआ लिख रहा है, अच्छा कुछ ऐसा लिख रहा है जो उसे पता है कि इसने किया नहीं, तो जिस दिन वो मेरे तक पहुंच गया तो वही होगा.
अच्छा, अभी यानी दिल में तमन्ना है उस रोल को करने की?
बहुत सारी तमन्ना है, बहुत सारी तमन्ना है. अभी तो खड़े हुए हैं, डराना बाकी है.